Hi, my name is Michael Burnett. I'm the owner, curator of Space Gallery here in town. And I established the gallery in 2001 with a focus on abstract art. We specialize in new and innovative media and surface treatment. And we're about to celebrate our 20th year anniversary. I think the biggest impact that we've had to deal with in our business is, we kind of essentially have two businesses. We're an art gallery first and foremost, but then we also host events, weddings, nonprofit fundraisers, all manner of events. And that business is essentially, shuttered. Although the governor did just announce that we're allowed to do up to 50 people now, which is a bit of a relief. Other than the obvious measures to keep people safe, we decided to take all of our inventory and essentially put it online. So now we have an e-commerce part of our website. People can shop directly online. All the pricing is directly on there, and you can buy directly through the site. One other thing that we've been doing for the last 4 years, which is pretty cool, we've been doing these virtual tours of the gallery where you can see each exhibit. And on the website, we kind of added a whole list of the last 4 years of our exhibits. So you can click on that, go directly through the exhibit, and see the work kind of, on the gallery wall, which I think it really helps to give it scale and, see the texture and all the juicy bits of art. So we're back open for business, which is exciting, obviously with social distancing requirements. The governor just announced that we're allowed to have, I think, up to 50 people. So we are planning on an upcoming exhibit, our first since COVID. July 10th is the opening, and we're going to do it we'll kind of stagger the event, so we'll have 6 to 7, 50 people, 7 to 8, 50 people, 8 to 9, 50, up to 50 people, so that people can kind of pick a time slot, which some of the other galleries have done. So come on down and support us, buy some art.